you're just naturally walking through, I feel like that's what people want to see.
Yeah.
It's just like, oh, he's just.
I just don't. I'm
about.
trying to figure out how to be not as like robotic about it, I guess.
Yeah, yeah.
And like I think that's what I'm saying. Like that's why I battle between the teleprompter and no teleprompter.
Right.
Like,
right. I like it for guidelines. I see what you're saying, but I almost try to think. What do you envision it like? You're just walking with the client, and kind of showing them. Like real time, or more like kind of scripted out, and more.
I'm thinking like MTV Cribs, man. Like MTV Cribs, yeah. Like, but I guess there's just not much.
You want like a quick clip just to get in the mind frame of it, right?
I feel like you'd also be surprised how much
Come to
those
my
people.
crib.
I think it's not as raw as you think. Like I think they edit and they script it more than
Yeah, they probably cut it. But even like if we were to do it, I feel like we could. You know, you open the front door, right? Like this is 5106, right? I think having that kind of feel to it.
Opening the door.
Yeah, pull the door, like welcome to my crib, man. Welcome to our crib. This is 5106, right? Blah blah blah. Come inside, check it out. And literally, you're talking to the camera like they are.
That's
like,
an idea.
The people watching.
I think
right?
that's the play.
Yeah, I like that.
I think.
I don't even think I ever saw this originally. Bro, look how cheesy this looks.
This reminds me of Tim.
Big Snoop D-O double G. I'm gonna welcome y'all to my house, the dog house.
You gotta do that, man. Come on, man.
Should I say the doghouse too?
And he's literally just like that, right? He's just talking to the camera, like this is the room, and then he can get that B-roll.
Untouchabilism, you know, talking to my players. We have.
Bro, you can do just like this. You can act like it's your house. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
I feel like that's part of it is the story too. He's literally just clowning around the whole time. He's like, yeah, I talk to my plants, I do this, like.
So then when I
watching it for that kind of value.
So then when I pushed it out, because like we still want it to be a marketing video.
Okay, right. So we gotta make it appeal to the who would buy this house? Do you think? A specific person? Yeah.
Well, so it's like 900 grand. So
like a retired or close to retirement.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. No, I'm just saying because
Late
like,
40s to early 60s, high net worth, educated.
Yeah.
This would be their home, like their primary home?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Or no, it could be a second. It's a good second home.
Okay.
It's a really good second home because it's got everything close by, and you got the boat storage right here, and then the boat ramp right here.
So let's picture you're talking to them, like whoever that person is. Say it's a couple, say it's like whatever.
Well, that's what I'm saying. If I'm playing hard on the My Cribs thing or the MTV Cribs, then I'm like acting like it's my house.
Oh, I see.
That's what I meant. Yeah, that's what I meant.
So even if you do act like it's your house, I would still do it from the perspective of, yeah, this is my house, but like just so happen to enjoy the same things that the person who would buy it would want to
Gotcha.
enjoy.
Yeah.
If that makes sense.
You have to be the person.
Yeah, be them. Like be them.
Yeah.
Like just talk about stuff they would want to see.
Gotcha.
Like, yeah, this is my crib, welcome to it. But like, hey, if you're like, about to retire, you want to buy a nice house by the water, like
Yeah,
That's
you're
what-
like, hey,
that's what
welcome to my
really drew me to
crib.
it.
I spend all day looking at the intercoastal
yeah,
views,
just play off of it.
swimming in
Alright,
clubs,
Okay.
Yeah.
put my boat in the water.
You know how
Yeah.
people do the opposite of that? They'll have like old people get on camera and say the millennial slang.
Yes.
It's like the opposite of that.
Yeah, and
They're
then
doing
I
that
could,
reverse.
yeah, and then I could like when we go out on the patio off the master, I can be like, this is where I come.
Smoke my cigar, drink wine.
Just like come and think about my thoughts and write down in my journal. Whatever people do.
Whatever.
I look out at the water and
Whatever successful people do.
just soak it in. That'd be a sick shot though, right? If him opening the door.
Why are you putting pillows in over here? I don't know.
Dude, exactly. Yo, that is perfect, right? As soon as you open the door, like, oh, what's up? This is Tyler, Prosper Real Estate.
Oh,
We're
yeah,
here at
yeah.
5106, blah, blah, blah. And then once you get to the end of that, come in, let's come check it out. Or welcome to my crib.
Yeah, you're right.
Welcome to my crib at the end, I think.
Yeah. Tyler Broughton here with Prosper Real Estate. Welcome to 5106 Minnesota Drive. This home has 4 beds, 3.5 bath, 2,400 square feet, reverse floor plan with an upper floor living area, intercoastal waterways views. It's amazing.
Welcome to my crib.
Yeah, but that like.
No, that was still really good.
Should I still do Welcome to my crib at the
That
end?
was a hyped up intro.
I'm frozen.
I think you already said
You
it.
said
No, I said
to-
welcome to 5106.
Damn, that looks pretty clean though. Yeah, you crushed that intro, dude.
Honestly, I just feel like we rock with this one.
Yeah.
You crushed that, dude. Let's see what he says at the very end and make sure we'll pick it up from there. It's amazing, and then we could say, you could even say right here, welcome to my crib, or if we want to.
Yeah, let's just do it one
have
more time.
Just
Right
have
here.
it. You could literally just say, welcome to my crib.
And then do, okay. Welcome to my crib. Let's go check it out.
Perfect, yep. And then we'll pick it up in the bedroom. Yeah, that was good. This is the hardest part, getting it started.
All right. Here in the master bedroom, the favorite part of my favorite part. Sorry.
Yeah, yep. We can just keep it going.
Because I can play on. Okay, yeah.
You're doing good, man. This is good so far.
Here in the master bedroom, my favorite part, the walk-in closet, because I have so many shoots. It's plenty of room. You have a lot of suits, a lot of dresses. It's amazing. That's not.
Yeah, we can take one part. Because I already have your office. You jump in here?
Yep.
So pick back up, right? So as he's walking over, like, hey, come on, check out the bathroom.
Oh yeah, sure.
So you literally keep him behind you, just have him, like he's giving the tour. So have him just show you.
Yeah.
Right, yeah, come check out the bathroom, all on, and you're just like,
Yeah.
because we're thinking from the perspective of the person that's walking through the house.
Yeah.
Tyler's literally showing us. He's like, all right, here, come look at this. Then you come look.
And then of course, the master bath. It's got amazing tile, zero entry shower with wood accent tile, double vanity. All right, I should probably finish it off and say something, right? Like that.
Double vanity.
I guess this is my favorite. The master closet is my second favorite. This is my favorite part. You got your own balcony outside with intercoastal waterway views. This is where I drink my morning coffee. That's so whack.
Yeah, you really gotta play hard into it. If you
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
You
I
gotta
gotta
like
play
over
into it if
exaggerate. That's where it's hard, yeah.
yeah.
Maybe just paint the picture, be like, you know, hey, look, if you're the type of person who loves drinking that morning cup of coffee, whatever you like to do,
Yeah.
like this is where you can do that.
We already started Welcome to My Crib. You already said this is my
Welcome
favorite
to my
part.
crib.
It's all my shoes. So just
Well,
do it.
It's my
Yeah.
favorite
Say this is
part.
where I drink my coffee.
Yeah. All right.
Say if I was a coffee guy, you can even joke about it. Just make it funny, maybe.
Mm-hmm.
I'm wondering, right?
We have to do the coming out.
How to make it fit. Yeah.
I think you're wrong.
Like, great.
I think it's good.
Yeah. Oopsie.
And this is actually my real favorite part of the master bedroom. Out here, we have our own little area for entertaining with some intercoastal views. Drinking morning coffee here, I sure do. It's a very nice area, relaxing, quiet. Good, come on.
Yeah. So anything else to wrap that, you think? Relaxing, quiet. Let's go back inside. We'll show you the rest.
Yeah, okay,
Some sort of
yeah.
transition.
Let's go back inside, I'll show you the rest.
Yep. And then we can just pop up wherever the next place is.
Okay.
You guys see the vision, man. It's happening.
Well, honestly, there's nothing to talk about, so I
Yeah,
think we
we
should
should
probably just start next. We should pick up. Let's go ahead and go up to the third floor. By the way, there is an elevator. Very convenient. See you up there.
Perfect, dude. Perfect.
Okay, we're trying to do like a little.
Are you gonna ride it or no? If you are riding it, he can shoot it. If you aren't, it's okay.
Even if you don't ride it, go step in the. Well, no. Do we
Wait,
want to joke about it being a small elevator though? I don't know if that's a good selling point.
I mean, no, the fact that he even said it keeps it tasteful. It's like, oh, and yes, there's an elevator, right? He says convenient,
Yeah.
blah, 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 and then we can just pop up.
All right, yeah, let's just.
And then, okay, let me ask y'all. That last line, like, we'll see you up there. Like, is that all right, dude? Is that a good?
No, I think that's
okay
fine.
transition? Okay.
You said it, Kat.
Because the one thing I didn't look into the camera when I said it, so I don't know if it's gonna be awkward because I'm like side eyeing.
See up there. Oh, okay, yeah.
You see what I'm saying? Can we
Cut
just-
that part. Yeah, let's watch it and see. I like this natural. There's a natural feel.
By the way, there is an elevator. Very convenient. See you up there.
Oh,
no, that ain't bad. No, it's not as weird as
And even
I
if we
thought.
gotta cut that, we can't cut that. because at the end.
Yeah. On the top floor in your main living area.
Yeah, you can walk.
Now walk through.
Yeah, we'll get some stuff out of the way.
This area is beautiful. It has custom woodwork against the fireplace. It has open kitchen, open living room, custom countertops, custom. Just sounds so.
You're
silly.
working your way down,
Yeah.
right? So imagine this is your house. You're walking through this every day. You see this view. You see the water.
I don't know, Shane's
This could be yours.
Nick selling himself on that.
Oh, you're inspiring me, man.
Come on, man. You want it. You need it.
Can I talk into it like you did that one time? Or-
Yeah. Yo, you want to change the whole thing?
Yeah. Well, I'm just gonna like do a practice run and just talk into it. Whenever Wawa comes to town, they go hard. Period.
So facts.
That's cool. Let me just pause like that.
So explain to me then, like, we're just trying to create a script, right? So we basically just want to create a script.
No, that's the exact script. That's exact. Yeah. I just wanted to like kind of put it in my own words a little bit, just so when I'm reading I don't like fumble over my words and stuff.
Okay, so this.
That's exactly how I want. Yeah.
Yeah, this is the version that we exactly want to say. So just put the words together so it's one concise transcript.
I didn't realize you were talking to the computer.
Yeah, I just rattling off to this thing, man. You just gotta tell exactly what
All right,
you
man.
want.
I'll need the paper for this one, right? So I can just.
We'll put it on the teleprompter.
That was sick. So yeah, everything he just said just went straight into the script. Copy. Alright, yeah. Well, like, we're here with you, you're just telling us about the play.
Oh, okay. So I'm not really being.
You can't walk around if you just naturally walk around. I think that's fine, whatever.
You just have to keep your eye on the teleprompter if you want to.
Yeah, and we can cut, so
right.
even if you say in between sentences, say you say a sentence here and then we kind of walk around and you say another sentence, we can cut all that in between out. I know it's hard to think about that when we're filming, but yeah, if you just stop for a minute and you walk somewhere else, you can just say the same sentence again.
Oh, man.
What happened?
No, I had some like,
Dust?
stuff. Yeah, I had some stuff on there. I hope it wasn't.
Not the white shirt, man.
Freaking yeah, that coat is so like it's like a magnet for like hair, dog
Yeah.
hair. You got the next one, bro. You ready? Yeah, he's the one. He's like the
hawk, man.
yeah, bro. He's the camera. Like he's the guy on the camera, dude.
A natural, we call it, right? The natural. That's a skill, man. Alright, now let's see. You have to read this one, you have to see.
Alright, let's run it.
He's rolling? Alright, we're ripping it.
New Hanover County is growing. Here are a few proposed projects that you can keep your eye on. For all my coffee lovers, there's talk of a proposed Starbucks at Masonboro Commons along Carolina Beach Road. I know my wife will be ecstatic. Nothing official yet, but something to keep your eye out on. That's it.
Is there anything in this? Do you want to? Okay,
No,
yeah, I was
that's
gonna say,
good.
if you want to wrap anything else up in there. No, that's a good way to do it.
Yeah.
That was smart. I can't believe I didn't think of that before. Or just say what you want to say first and then put it right on there.
Say what you wanna say.
Copy it right over, baby.
And then,
Copy and
yeah, I
paste.
guess either Anderson can either do, like, I mean, what you can do here. It's probably like, I don't really want to do like the same spot.
Until you
Talk
let
to
it
it?
refine it.
Yeah.
Talk to it?
Sometimes I'll talk to it. Sometimes I'll just like misspell words and everything.
Yeah, that's what I do too.
just
I was
speed
talking to him and I just keep talking all day. I know this. You're gonna cut this out as I'm saying it, but yeah.
That's hilarious.
I'll just like speed type like a whole paragraph and like Grammarly's just having a day with it.
Yeah.
Tyler,
It worked out pretty good, though,
Tyler,
right?
you gotta try this. Just talking to ChatGPT is a game changer.
Instantly, yeah. He's telling me to do something and it's instant.
These should be people's entire job. You know what I
Right,
mean?
to do that.
Like office managers and stuff.
That's pretty
I'll be like sitting in the car and I'll just like thinking about something like, hold up.
Yep,
Yeah.
And
exactly.
then just like pull it up like, hey, like.
That's
Yeah.
most of the time I'm doing. All right,
That's
I'm
so
good.
cool to use it like
I'm
that.
good when
Yeah.
you were.
Alright, you feel good?
Yep.
Here we go.
Here's a quick no fluff look at how residential markets wrapped up in 2025 across Pender, New Hanover, and Brunswick counties.
Good. I think that sounded fine.
Solid.
Let's go. That's efficiency
Easy
for
cake,
you.
man. Yeah, that was good.
That's efficiency for you.
Ain't much else to say after that. You know?
Can you like scroll it real quick and show us what it looks like
Hi, buddy.
with the teleprompter?
Let's like, press play.
Yeah.
Honey.
This is what the client sees.
Nice.
Not my feet. Okay, so I can do whatever.
But I can see your hands, so still gesture like with your hands
Gotcha.
and stuff.
I should put some lotion on my freaking hands.
Bro, I hate
It's
this
so
time of
cold
year.
out, dude.
Can you see my like ashy hands like in the camera?
No.
Okay.
No.
All right, I'm
Actually
good.
looks pretty good here, yeah. Alright, let's try it. I'll roll it and then let's see how the speed is.
Most people think affordable housing means renting forever. This is not true. We work with land almost every day. So if you are curious what kind of land and mobile home packages could make sense for you, just reach out and ask. We can walk through options based on your budget and goals.